Here's how to switch your Instagram account from a professional account back into a personal account. So you want to first go ahead and go into your Google Play Store or your iPhone App Store, and you want to type in Instagram. Once you have found Instagram, you want to make sure you have it updated to the latest version. So if it says an update button, then you want to click on that. However, mine only says uninstall or open, meaning that it is already updated. So then we'll go ahead and click on the open button. Now, once you're in your Instagram account with it being completely updated, you want to go to your profile page, and then from here, you want to click on the three bars on the top right-hand corner. And then you want to click on settings and privacy. After that, if we do the usual and then we scroll down, go all the way down to account types and tools, you can see there's going to be no option to switch back to a personal account. So what you want to do is go to the search bar, and then from here, you want to type in creator. Now, there should be an option that says Creator Tools and Controls, so we'll go ahead and click on that option. Now, if we scroll down here, you can see at the very bottom it says Switch Account Type. So simply click on that and click on Switch to Personal Account. Switch to Personal Account. And now you have switched your account from a business or professional account back into a personal account.